While some might feel ready to flee the cold this time of year, others want to embrace it. If you are planning your winter holiday, consider these great places. Here are some truly beautiful places that become even more stunning once winter rolls around. So check this list and share your impressions. Number 10. Zermatt, Switzerland. Zermatt, surrounded by the Alps' tallest peaks, has 223 miles of runs in 4 huge sky areas, some at an altitude of over 10,000 feet. This enchanting alpine village lies at the foot of the Matterhorn, Switzerland's most famous mountain, and has plenty of modern touches, like its state-of-the-art lift system and swanky approach sky diversions. This place is probably known as a platform for skiing and mountaineering. Number 9. Greenland. Greenland is icy, mysterious, and one of the most naturally beautiful places on the planet. The world's biggest non-continental island is so much more than glaciers, magnificent fjords, colorful villages, and fields of sheep. One of the top things to do for visitors in Greenland is to experience an up-close encounter with whales. Number 8. Vienna, Austria. In winter, it provides numerous entertainment activities. The skating rinks like the one in the town hall are surrounded with amazing architecture, making the experience even more fun. Vienna is proud of its rich high culture. Winter is the season of opera, balls, and Christmas markets. Number 7. Dublin, Ireland. It is cold, there is a lot of snow and even more pubs that will provide a warm corner and a glass of original Guinness beer. There are also Dublin Mountains and Wicklow Mountains that provide a natural getaway, hiking trails and panoramic views. Dublin has a great party life, wonderful beer and cold weather in winter. Number 6. Hallstatt, Austria. No, you are not looking at a puzzle. This place really exists. Hallstatt is a tiny lakeside village and UNESCO World Heritage Site in Austria. All the more glorious mountain is blanketed in snow. It is often voted as one of the prettiest villages in the world. Now number 5. Bergen, Norway. One of the most popular towns in the country, embedded in the fjords, surrounded with unspoiled nature. Mountains provide opportunities to ski, sledge, and hike. Get to the top of Mountain Ulriken by a cable car and admire the panoramic views. Norway is a great place in Europe to experience the real winter. Wonderful nature, numerous outdoor activities, and spa centers will make the trip to Bergen unforgettable. Number 4. Jigokodani Monkey Park, Japan. This park gets heavy snowfall for about 4 months each year. Despite the cold, there are plenty of hot springs to warm up in. Snow monkeys are known to come to the valley in the winter. Besides watching monkeys kick back, visitors can also check out the steam bands, which shoot hot steam into the air. Now number 3. Tallinn, Estonia. Tallinn's medieval old town is enchanting throughout the year, but during Estonia's long winter months, it takes on a whole new dimension of wonder. Take a stroll around the fortified Tumpi and eventually you'll end up in Raykoja Flats. Number 2. Frankfurt, Germany. The city is proud of the oldest Christmas market in the country. Situated in front of the town hall, it provides the best Germany has to offer at this time of the year. Music lovers will be compelled to go to the Alta Upper and enjoy high culture. A great place to go in winter and on holidays. After all, the Christmas market tradition originated here. Also, a variety of culture events, shopping centers, and historic architecture make Frankfurt a desirable destination. Now, number 1. New York City, USA. The city that never sleeps, even in the coldest winter. Unlike the West Coast, the East Coast gets covered in a thick layer of snow. It provides a winter-like landscape and all urban facilities you can think of. Also, don't forget beautiful Central Park, which has numerous romantic hiking trails and offers horse carriage rides. One of the greatest cities in the world welcomes you all year round.